Earlier when I was out on the ski slope, I was thinking about the analogy of a diamond. I like to think of divine love as being a diamond, a personified diamond, one with a personality, one with many facets, a 90-faceted diamond, an infinite faceted diamond, facets that are so infinite that one could never exhaust the exploration of them. And I like to think of the unity of all humans being connected and united. Since it is so, I would like to see more people aware of it. I'd like to see everyone aware. And not just aware of our connection, but united in that connection, united in that which connects us. And sometimes, when humans limit themselves to seeing only one facet of the diamond, perhaps it's a religion or a label or a science. Perhaps one person wants to call it the laws of the universe, another nature, another God, all being only labels. And when one holds to a single facet, they miss the sparkling beauty in the whole perspective. For a single sheet of ice glistens a little, and much joy can be found there. And a raw, uncut diamond has its own beautiful, natural beauty and intrigues us. But both are flat compared to the cut diamond or the snowflake with its intricate design, shining with glitter, sparkling light. And when labels can fall away and the whole beauty can be seen, that is when unity is realized. And knowing that each facet, each label, each journey that brings us into a united place has its own power and perfect harmony with the whole, that each facet is so necessary, each point of view, each label, each growth, each journey and pathway of connection, they all have their own significance. For even if one was missing, part of the beauty would be gone. And yet if each stood alone, again, beauty would be lost. I choose to explore all facets and to find new ones that no one else has ever seen. I choose to experience them all, and in so doing, unite all the individuals that I come in contact with. And this is my journey. And I wonder where your unique journey will unite us, either now or one day in the future.